people go through a lot to get to this point. And for them to be able to walk a quarter of a mile or a half a mile, it's like a big undertaking. You go through so much through the surgery, but prior to the surgery, all that you go through in preparation. So it's really exciting for them to be able to do that. I had my surgery done in October. I was back to work. I had both knees done, total replacements, and I was back to work in 2.5 months.
My dog tripped me coming down the stairs and I fell onto my back. Literally, it was kind of almost like I had a broken back, and I'd been walking around like that for several months. I am now almost 1 year post-surgery. I have no hardware and I am 100% pain-free, and I'm 100% back to my life. This is a really long journey for me, and to basically not have your life what you're used to and then getting it back, they just took me through every step. You know, I haven't been here in a while, but I'm back. But I'm back for a different reason, and that is because you gave me this. So I'm very excited about this victory lap, and not only for that, I'm really excited to actually thank Dr. Sepler for giving me my life back.